Hello everyone, welcome back to Developers and Coders Club NIT Agartala's YouTube channel. Today we will discuss CodeChef Starters 110, third problem, Am I Lucky? So the problem states that there are n students in a school and out of which x are boys and the remaining are girls. Now they want to go for trekking, and trekking can be gone in a group size of k students only. So what will the remaining students do? The remaining student can dance or they can read books. Okay, but reading books is boring. So maximum will try to dance. But what's the condition for dancing? For dancing around bonfire, one boy and one girl pair is needed. So we have to give the output. What's the minimum number of students who will be engaged in reading? So in our input we will be given first number of test cases, then total number of students, that is n, then number of boys in class in the group, and then the size of trek group. So how we are going to solve this problem? So we will be given n, x and k. So in n we can say x are boys and n minus x are girls. Okay, so if like I divide, I get like x% x. So what I'll get, the remaining students which are not going for tracking. Okay, then I'll get some output, and if I count n by x% x k, then I'll get something which are not girls, the number of girls which are not going for tracking. So let's say I received number here, let's say I call it B and let's say I call it G. Okay, B and G. So now maximum students will try to avoid reading books. So what they will do, they will pair with the one girl and one boy will pair so that they don't have to read books. So what we have to output here, we have to output minimum of that ABS modulus of B minus G. The minimum number of pair that are possible is minimum of B and G. So simply what we are going to output, so the remaining, so let's say how many groups we want. Okay, so that will be minimum of how many pairs we can make among girls and boys, whatever the minimum. Like if boys are minimum, then each boy will pair up with each girl, and if girls are minimum, they will each girl will pair up with each boy. So this way, how many total pair for dancing can be formed? That will be the minimum of B comma G. So what will be the remaining? Whatever is the maximum, let's say whatever is the maximum of B comma G, we will subtract minimum from that, and that is what ABS of B minus G is. So we have to simply output B minus G A modulus. So let's see how the code looks like. So we'll simply take three inputs. We have B and G over here, the remaining students who are not going for tracking. Then we'll simply output modulus of A, G minus B. Okay, let's run the code. So see, it works. Thank you.